Rockhounds, there are 4 Moonstone, otherwise known as Chalcedony. Stop the video and see if you can find them, and then I'll show you. Right here, and here, and here. Let me show them to you. There they are. Howdy, Rockhounds. Come rockhounding with Chewy and me in the central coast of California to see if we can find some agates, otherwise known as Chalcedony or Moonstones. Let's see what we can find. You never know. Rock on! All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, there's one. Do you see it? Yeah, there you go. Ah, sun's blinding me. Can you see it? Can you see it? It's a pretty good size one. Good old thumbnail. Ooh, look at the birds. Yeah, they're just seagulls, but who cares? They're beautiful. Yeah. Crash. This is actually the perfect light to find any kind of agates, glowers, semi-transparent Chalcedony, whatever you want to call it, where they're backlit because of the sun. If that fails, you can stir them up with your trowel or whatever you got. Use your hands, doesn't matter. Oh, there's one. Look at that! Yay! Oh, here's a dirty one. Like I call these a root beer agate. Ah! Jeez. Hello, bumble fingers. Well, that one's really root beer. That's like mud agate. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Nice. I put that in my little bag. I literally want to take like a front end loader and a dump truck and just like scoop up the rocks and put them in the dump truck. Oh, there's one. Oh, here's one. See it? See it? So if it was up here, let's see, let's do this. Behave. So if it was up here like this, you'd be like, oh look, something's glowing. And the rock's going, don't take me. Hey, it looks kind of like a foot, don't you think? Yeah, I think it looks like a foot. Yeah, like that. Never gets old. Look at that beauty. Love it. There's a little bit of agate banding in that. Quartz. That's kind of cool. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, that's beautiful. I like keep her. Look how dark green that rock is. Oh, I hope it's showing on here. Wow, look at that. Nice green jasper. You know, I wonder if that's nephrite jade. Jade Cove is way up there around. My husband and I have tried to go there, and the cliff is quite treacherous going down. Oh, I just saw another one, and we didn't do it because it was like, no way, we're not risking our lives for that. And we've hiked into the bottom of the Grand Canyon and camped one night, and yeah, we're not doing Jade Cove. So, oh, look at that! Yay! Hey, there goes my husband. Bye, have fun. Oh, look! Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Never gets old. Oh, look, birds. Sorry. Look at that! Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Nice. I love it. See, it just looks like this little rough thing, and it's like, oh, big deal. It's like a semi-transparent rock, but I don't care. You hold it up to the sun, and it's just, it never gets old, in my opinion. If it gets old to you, sorry. Sorry, not sorry. I know. I'm passing by lots of pretty rocks. I see it all the time in the comments. Oh, she went past this one. Oh, she went past that one. I'm like, I'm sorry. I'm out here in the sun, and I can't see them all until I get home. Edit the video, and then bang my head on the keyboard. Sometimes, literally, just kidding. And say, oh my God, I missed that one, and that one, and that one. Okay, come on. Where's some more rocks? Here, kitty. Here, rock. Life's like a box of rocks. You never know which one you're gonna get. And down there we have what I call bird poop rock. so happy with what I got, though. I got a bunch of quartz, and I got a bunch of Moonstone type rock agates in here. Yeah. Oh my God, you're not going to believe me, but I just found this one and this one right next to each other. Okay, so this is another semi-transparent Moonstone, chalcedony, whatever, okay? But look at this. Look at that. Do you see the potential? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I haven't picked it up and looked at it yet. Okay, so you can't see through it, but look at that. Oh, wow. What a beauty. It looks like a rose quartz agate. Oh my gosh. And it's got some jasper in it. Oh my gosh. What a beauty. Okay, I'm going to lick it because my squirt bottle's up at the truck. Oh my God. Look at this. Woo! Look at that. Okay, wait. Focus, focus. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Again, I like the simple stuff, but Jiminy Christmas. That is unique. That is so cool. Woo! Yeah! Pelicans! Can you see them? See them? Pelicans! Oh, I hope you can see them. Cool. Bye, pelicans. If you're always looking for just the fanciest stuff, you're going to be disappointed. What? Look at that. Oh my God. Yes, you guys think I'm faking this and I'm acting this way? Just ask my family. I'm normally hyper like this. Oh my God. Look at that. Holy God. Ah! Oh my gosh. Look at that thing. Okay, that is beautiful. That is a jasper agate. See the jasper? The yellowish jasper. Oh my gosh. Wow. All right, that is cool. Holy mackerel. Oh my gosh. And I was done looking for rocks. It always happens. Oh, in you go. Oh, look at this. Look at that beautiful thing. That reminds me of the Southwest. Look at these beautiful rocks. They're all in the same spot. I mean, look at this. Look at that. I know I'm supposed to be looking for agates for this video, but you can't pass all this up. There's another one. See it? Glowing? Ah, cool. Oh my goodness. Yay. Okay, do I want that? Looks like a piece of chewed up gum. And it won't tumble. Some jasper in there. That is really cool though. You know, I could spray that with that Rust-Oleum and that would look cool. Watch my video on that, by the way, if you haven't seen it. It seems to be pretty popular. That's beautiful. And it's popular because it's an awesome idea. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, see, I'm like getting off. It's just like, oh, look at this rock and then look at that rock. Oh my gosh. Ah. Okay, I know I'm going to find another cool one. As soon as I turn my phone off, I'm going to find the best rock ever. Right? Murphy's Law. I'm literally out here doing like the splits. One leg, two legs, beach, trowel. And I just found one right before I did that. Where did it go? Where did it go? Where did it go? There it is. You see it? Right there? Yes. Woohoo! Oh my goodness. Oh. I think I just found another one. No. Did I just do it? Is it this one? Is it this one? Yeah. Sorry if I'm going too fast. I'm not trying to make you like dizzy or anything. I'm just naturally hyper and have move very fast. I might be like have ADHD, undiagnosed, but I'm pretty sure I have it. So there you go. In case you're wondering why I'm so hyper. Woohoo! There's another one. See it? Right there. Oh, that's a beautiful color. It's like caramel or something. Look at these. Today was a good day. Woohoo! Yes! Incredible! Woo! I moved to another section and I found another rock that's got like awesome agate potential. Look at that. Look at that thing. Let's get it out. What? No way. Wow. my gosh. Let's get it wet. Let's get it wet. Let's get it wet. Okay, let's get it wet so you can see it. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that's better than I thought. Oh my God. No way. No way. Oh, I have never seen an agate like that here at this beach that I've been to 6,718 times. No way. Oh my gosh, what a stunner. Jasper, an agate, agate. Oh my goodness. Sorry, I'm at a loss for words. This is incredible. And then there's this one. Look at this thing. Yeah, it looks like chewed up gum, but watch. Look how beautiful this is. Yeah, a agate. Wow. I love rocks like this. Incredible. Jeez. There's so much going on. Yellow, orange, jasper, quartz, agate banding. Yeah, it's a keeper. Woo! One of the best examples of brecciated jasper that I've seen. A agate. Look at that. Green, yellow, reddish brown, and it's kind of blasé on the other side. But look, there's some banding. Woo! Oh my goodness, that's pretty. It's almost like candy. I want to eat it. Another one. Do you see it? Do you see it? Look at it. See it glowing? Oh my gosh. And another. Holy mackerel. Look at this one. What? Oh my gosh. Ah! Wow. Oh my. Oh my God. I've never found anything like this here before. Holy mackerel. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. What? Oh my gosh. Yes! Okay, upon closer look, this might be glass. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I want to know. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. What the heck? Oh, it looks like a skull. Do you see it? The back of the head, the chin right here, the face. Oh my gosh. Cool.